Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mindfully Kiki, and welcome to day 15, our last day of the Breathe and Flow 15-day yoga challenge. We have made it to our last day of this challenge, and we're going to end with intentional rest. So we're going to start with some breathing techniques, and then I'm going to play my Tibetan Singing Bowls, and you're going to be able to rest while you're listening to them. So what you'll need today is a pillow or a bolster or a blanket for you to sit on. And since we're resting at the end, grab whatever else you would like. So if you want more pillows to lay down, blankets, blocks, whatever you need to fully rest, I suggest you grab it at the beginning of this practice. So grab what you need and we will get started. So for the first portion of this practice, we're going to start seated, and you can, So for the first portion of this practice, we're going to start seated, and you can sit up on a bolster or a blanket or a pillow. I'm going to sit up on my blocks. Usually when I sit on my blocks, I kind of put them together just like this. So go ahead and find your comfortable seat, whatever you would like to sit on, or if you just like to sit on the floor or the chair, wherever you are. And then bring your shoulders up towards your ears and down and back. Let your hands rest on your thighs or your knees. And we'll start here with 3 breaths, inhaling through the nose and exhaling out of the mouth. So let's inhale together. Open the mouth and exhale. Inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. One more time, inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. For the next rounds of breath, we are going to count the inhale and exhale. So for the first 2 rounds, we're going to count the inhale for 4 and the exhale for 4. The second round, we're going to move up to 5, or the third and fourth rounds. We're going to move up to 5, and then the 5th and 6th rounds, we're going to move up to 6. So once again, grab your comfortable seat, sit tall in your spine, and then let's inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Second round, inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Round 3, we're moving up to 5. So inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Round 4, inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, round 5, we're moving up to 6. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last round. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And take 3 deep breaths here on your own. And again, as we breathe, we find that we kind of relax our posture. So you may have to readjust here. Lift the chest, sit up through the crown of the head. Let the spine be long and tall. And then for the next round of breaths, we're going to move into box breathing. So the box breath we'll demonstrate first, and then we'll move into it together. So you'll start with an inhale to the count of 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to hold your breath here for the count of 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you're going to exhale for the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then hold for the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So think of your breath as going in a box. So we're going to do that 4 times together. So again, sit tall. Open your chest. And lift up through the crown of your head. Let your hands rest on your knees or your thighs, whichever feels better. And let's inhale together for the count of 4. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. And hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale here. Round 2. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 2, 3, 4. And hold. 2, 3, 4. And exhale here. Round 3. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 2, 3, 4. And hold. 2, 3, 4. And exhale here. Last round. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Gonna have to cut this part. Last round. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 2, 3, 4. And hold. 2, 3, 4. And then exhale here. Return back to your normal breath. And from here, we're going to transition into a resting position. So if you'd like to stay seated, you can. I'm going to transition and put my blocks off to the side so I can sit flat on my mat. Now for this sound bath, you can choose to lay flat on your back. You can choose to have a bolster underneath your back, or you can choose to let your bolster and blocks come under your knees. And you can wrap up on a blanket. You can find whatever resting position you'd like. I just want you to be comfortable and aware. So take a moment to do that. And once you've found your comfortable position, you can choose to either find a focal point in front of you, whether you're lying down, find the one on the ceiling, or sitting. You can find one in front of you, or you can close your eyes here, your choice. Let's take a deep breath together. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. One more time, inhale. And exhale. Take a deep breath in and out. Another breath in and out. One more breath in and out. Bring your hands to your heart. You can bow your head to your heart if you'd like. Just bowing in gratitude for this practice, for this challenge, for us taking the time to take care of ourselves, of our mind, and of our bodies. May we all go back out into the world feeling refreshed and rejuvenated and ready to help take care of and support others. Thank you for joining me for our sound bath session. And of course, I would love to hear from you. What did you think about the sound bath? How did you like it? What did you notice about your breathing during this session? Let's talk in the comments. Listen, I just want to thank you for joining me along this journey, the 15-day yoga challenge. I want you to celebrate yourself for practicing self-care for 15 days. For being mindful for 15 days and consistent. And if you found this challenge helpful, share it with a friend that you think would benefit from it as well. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more yoga, mindfulness, and lifestyle content. Thank you all, and I will see you all soon in my next video.